Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Boy Blam, and welcome back to Granny Chapter 2. So, I heard this game got updated. I checked Developer's Twitter. He said, "Hey, the developer said I gave Granny Chapter 2 an update. So I wonder if Boy Blam or everyone else could play this, or any such good Granny fans could play this." I was like, "All right, I'm gonna play more Granny." I may not do both mode this time. I think I need a break from that. I have to keep practicing to do that. So I'm just going to hang out with Grandpa, then Granny, and then try to do both mode later on. I'm not sure. Maybe when this game is done, the developer can release the third chapter, and then I can just play chapter 2 again. Hey, you know what I kind of liked in Granny? There was supposed to be a nightmare mode, but I don't think they added that yet. But, one of the developers said they'll think about that. I actually did like the nightmare mode, and just the first Granny, not the second. Oh, Grandpa's here. All right. We watch for the Grandpas. Oh, I see him. He's gonna. Oh, he's slow. Oh, there he is. Dude, are you slow today?
I see you.
How do you see me, boy? Hi, buddy. Oh my god, he didn't even see me! Whammo. How does he see me? How's the Slenderina child? She looks good. What is it? The child is Slenderina's child. Looks alright. The baby looks alright. Oh, look what we found. The stun gun. I'm ready to shoot some Grandpa. Alright. I can't shoot the child first. I gotta shoot Grandpa. So what I'm gonna do is drop that, and I'm gonna steal his security key. I don't know we could play on Granny's piano though.
There you are.
Get a good aim. Get a good aim. He's slow. Push him. Can I have your key? Thank you. It's mine forever. Haha. I haven't played this game in a I haven't played this game in a while though, but I was just waiting for updates, you know? First game was out, second game was out. Then they had an update where they add the little child in there as the spider instead. Looks like we do two things: a baby Slenderina's child and a squid. I already did the boat ending and all that, so there's something new, and I don't know what it is. Wait, helicopter key? Wait, does Granny have a helicopter? Wait, who owns a helicopter here? What? This is confusing. Did they really have a helicopter in this game? Is that another Escape? I'm confused, everyone. Okay, let's take a deep breath. Calm it down. What's that? A piece of a picture. Ooh, do I remember from the very first game of Granny where you have to collect all the puzzle pieces together to make a Granny picture? Holy crap. I knew it. Will Grandpa give us a bonus day? Oh, I'm not gonna do the boat ending. No. I'm not gonna do that again. Okay. I hear something blowing and I don't know what that is. It wasn't me, Grandpa. It was the vent. Duct tape? That's new. What do we need duct tape for? To shove it on Grandpa's face? Wait, what's this? That's new. That is so new. Oh my god, we found the special key. Congratulations to us. Oh! That lead us to a secret entrance. Door lock? What else? Oh, there's the wrench. Oh god, there's Grandpa. Nope. I was just exploring. Okay. There we go. Got that taken care of. I must watch out for Grandpa. He doesn't hear that well, but I know he hits hard. So what's in that box next to the Slenderina child? Slenderina's child.
I see you.
Uh-oh. Ow. That's okay. That was not even a jump scare. He doesn't jump scare. He just hits. Like, he really saw me. Like... Ouch. I mean, I didn't get jump scared or anything. It's just he doesn't jump scare that much. I can tell. Alright. Oh, there's the stun gun. Finally. I'm gonna stun that little... Well, not the kid, though. Oh, there's Grandpa. He's going upstairs. What the heck? Grandpa. Grandpa, come down. I need you. Oh, there he is. Ah! There we go. Taken care of. Alright. Coming out, you baby. Come here, baby. Oh, no. Ah! Go away, you stupid child. Stupid creep. Stupid creep. What is inside that box? Oh, good. This will teach him a little lesson. Woo! It's gonna blow. Ouch. Hey, Slenderina. Oh, God. Oh! Yeah, shut up, Slenderina. The head of Slenderina. Okay, make that noise. I just gotta watch my back. I don't want him to spook me or anything. I don't want that. Alright. Looks like we used a hand grenade on Slenderina's child. Slenderina's child. Aki, remember... oh yeah, and Aki, if you're watching this video, Slenderina is in the game. But after you kill the child, Slenderina's head will pop up. And she might get angry. She'll go... oh! Okay, we gotta find the rest of the puzzles. The picture puzzle pieces. We haven't looked in here, haven't we? No, we haven't looked in there. Okay. No, not doing it. Not yet. Not yet. Okay. Not yet. I'll think about that. Where's the crowbar? Oh, I know where it's at. It's over there. Did I leave it outside or something? Wait, where did I put the crowbar? Hang on. Where did I put it? I don't want the hand wheel. I already did the door escape, but... Oh, there's Grandpa. Shh. Ah! Helicopter manual. Okay. Cool. Now we just gotta learn things from a helicopter. You know what I mean? If you don't know, then don't. You don't have to ride a helicopter. Grandpa, is my crowbar in here? Oh, is he glitching? Is he glitching upstairs? He glitched into the bathroom. Alright. Where's my crowbar? I think I left it somewhere, but I don't know where it is. Alright, I'm gonna head upstairs. Oh, there it is. Make noise. It distracts them. Oh, that could work. A little bit. Okay. Is there a weapon key? Oh, no, it's a safe key. Good guesses, though. They're just guesses. Ugh, that door scared me. Okay. The cutting pliers. Alright. Where's Grandpa? Is he upstairs? Camping? Where is he? Oh! Oh! You're so slow, Grandpa. You can't even... You can't catch me, Grandpa. Can they climb up ladders? They look old, though, but can Grandpa climb? Close the door, god dang it! I said god dang it. Alright. Okay. I want to stop dancing around. Okay, 1 and 2. Hello, Nosferatu. Alright, if you don't know Nosferatu, he is from SpongeBob. Of course, the hash-slinging slasher. We still need to get to the last 2 puzzles. But where are they? Excuse me. Alright, I have a plan. Okay, I dropped down a little bit. Oh. Where's Grandpa? Grandpa, I need you. Where are you? He sounds close. So I'm gonna close the door. I'm gonna wait for Grandpa. Here, when I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna drop the stun gun for a little bit. Then maybe walk. Oh, there he is. Hey, Grandpa. You're so slow. What the heck? No need to dance to FGTV. FGTV sucks, boy. You should know that. Shut up. I don't want to hear none of that. I hate FGTV. God. What if we need the gasoline for the helicopter? Okay, I'll leave that open. I really hate FGTV. So FGTV sucks. That is in my opinion. Because I still hate them. They are the worst. FGTV is the worst YouTubers ever. Like, how could they make... They are totally the worst YouTubers ever. Don't even subscribe to FGTV. I really hate them. Okay, I'll leave this gasoline can over there. If we'll need it for something important. I just saw Grandpa play that stupid FGTV song. That is so annoying! You don't need to play that. YOLO. Alright, I just said yo. Where is the other puzzle pieces? The puzzle pieces of Grandpa. Like, where could that be? Is it in here? No, it's not in this little death trap area that they invented me after my 5 days are over here. Alright, what about here? I haven't discovered. Nope, not in here. Okay. I don't know where the weapon key is. I still don't know where that is. They're so hard to find. Maybe if I can look under... Haven't gone under here that much, so I'm gonna look under here. Okay. I'm trying to get to the new ending, guys. There's a new escape. And we're trying to get to it. It's a helicopter, and I want to see what the helicopter looks like. Well, I guess I could take the duct tape. Oh crap, there he is. Hey buddy. I'm scared. No! No! It's nothing, Grandpa. Nothing personal. I guess I could take the helicopter key later on. But where am I going to find the last two puzzle pieces? We found one of them. Alright, we're gonna go... Oh, wait. Ah, Picturica. I found one. That's an old game that I used to play when I was a kid. Grandpa? Are you... Oh, he's done. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus. Climbing up. Oh, wait, no, that's blocked. Alright, one last puzzle piece. We'll have to get to it quick. Okay. Grandpa, you better not be down here. I'm going to the child room. Oh, wait, he's going in. Okay, I heard the Squidward door open, so I think that's where he's going. Wait, I think I know where the last puzzle piece is. Maybe under here? Not that far. Okay. Alright. So, what about here? No. No. Okay. I'm gonna throw one of these hand grenades at Grandpa. It'll be fun to throw at. All I need to do... Is he coming back up? Oh, there he is. Oh, that didn't work. Crap. He's coming up. No.
I'm hungry.
I'll take the glass fuse. If there's a problem. What do we need for the glass fuse, by the way? You better not be up here. Okay, good. I'll take this glass fuse with me. Okay, leave it over here. I'll take the helicopter key, too. Alright guys, I'm going to cut this as part 2. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll do part 2, okay guys? Like, right now. So I'll cut this short for now on, since I'm trying my best to find all these new equipment. Alright, see you guys. Please make sure you subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.